I mean, if you look at top of the spill pile there, we have one that the box fell over.
After 48 hours at Paradise Hill, Tony Beets has returned to his Indian River claim.
But whoever is in there wasn't thinking, right? You know? Oh, this guy, I mean, it's whatever. Now let's go fix up or screw up.
In the comeback cut, a rookie driver has tipped a rock truck on the waste pile and becomes stuck, slowing down production.
Some of them times when these people get stuck or when things go upside down or whatever, I like to do that myself. And I'd likely have more experience than anybody else around there, so I do that myself. Park it. Okay, let's go rescue that thing.
Oh yeah, when I was going up to the dump, I just started feeling like I was sinking in, you know? So I gave it a little more gas, but I got stuck. Then I was trying to empty the box to go out, but then it just flipped like randomly, right, by itself.
To right the 34-ton rock truck and get production back on track, Tony takes control of the 750 excavator.
I can't get on the side that I want to go, so now I'm gonna have to push it over, and preferably, I like to pull it over.
The rock truck is dangerously close to the edge of the pile, where the dirt is less compacted and could collapse at any moment.
Well, I hope it's not as as it looks, because otherwise it'll be an expensive day, so to speak. Because the way it doesn't want to flip over easy is because he's still got to have a load of dirt in it. So you got to do a little bit extra around in order to get him to tip over. Okay, drive ahead a little bit. You got the dips in? Nice and slow, nice and slow. Hold it. Dump it. Wreck by now, wouldn't it? Hey, stop, stop, stop. That thing is... Let me see. What a boy. Thank you very much. Me. That's gonna be you, joint.
The universal joint, essential for handling the uneven terrain, is broken, taking the truck out of action until it can be replaced.
Shut it off, leave it right there. We'll see if we can find you another one.
Tony was pretty pissed off about the whole ordeal, but I'm going back to work, and he said that things like that happen, you know? So I just gotta do what I gotta do and keep on going.